2, 1. What the? No. Hi guys, welcome to AMX Gaming. Today we're at Crystal Mountain and the snow has came back. See? And there's so much snow. Let's go. Going to the disco. Okay. Let's go. So look around. Okay, so let's look around. Whoa, that's cool. So now we're going on. We're on. We're on. Whoa. Here. Look. We're finally on. Woo. This is actually pretty cool. The snow has been recovered again. So now, yeah, kind of, not really. But let's go. Okay, so we're halfway there. Let's go. And this is how we're here. Oh my god, it freaked me out. So there's like, we have not been to a lot of places here. We usually just come here with my cousin. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. So now, oh my god, we're halfway there. See, there's 3 yellow signs if you see up there. If you see those 3 yellow signs, that means we're almost there. We're halfway there. So now let's go there. Okay, so now we're at the end. Almost. Yeah, almost. So this is the view. We're so close. And we're gonna go the same way again, but very fast. Because I am a fast guy.
But
so
you gotta practice your turns.
Yes, and we're gonna practice turns because I'm not that good. So let's go. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Up 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and hit. Woohoo! Okay, so you wanna come with me? Sure. Like the same? But we're not gonna move places. So I'm just gonna show skiing all around for today. So let's go. Ready? Let's go very fast.
I don't want to
Yeah, I'll just give me a boost. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Woohoo! Super fast. Yahoo! Bye-bye. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, look, super bumpy. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. That's so much. I think. Let's go! This is so fun. Oh my god, oh my god. Sorry. We just bumped into each other. See you on the flip side. Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Give me a boost.
What?
Give me a boost.
I'm not going there.
Give me a boost. Okay. We're gonna go the funny way instead of my cousin. We're gonna go on the magic carpets place. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is way too slow. Ooh. Whoa, look at those people in there. Whoa, I almost fell. Okay, so now we're gonna go take a break. Now let's go take a break. Unnecessary. Oh my god. Now we got some. Now we got these. Oh my god. This looks delicious, right?
Mm-hmm. Smells good.
Soon I'm gonna go skiing with you guys. Yummy. Oh, I just got an idea. So guys, we've been doing skiing and it's almost closing. And now we're going home now. I hope you liked watching going around the skiing over there and there. This was a really fun experience. I hope you like watching my video. Like and subscribe.